welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Hello, 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 my sweet friends. Hi guys. Big hearts out to you and all the love to you. For my Monday's video, I read all the comments and I gave them a little heart. Some people I replied to, and you know, I read every single comment and I love them, I love them, I love them. You guys are the best. You are the best. If you're new here, I just have to say, public service announcement, I have the best subbies in all of YouTube. I love you guys. I love you guys. You made my day. You made my day. I was reading the comments and they were so beautiful and I thought, oh my God, they are my peeps. Okay, please ignore the background noise. I live on a very busy street. I did not know that this street was this busy when I got the house, but it is, and that's okay because I don't mind. It's interesting. It's new for me. I've never lived on a main street. Never. Do I recommend it? No. no, I don't. But it's okay. It's loud though out here in the front. But, okay. So, I had started last week in the dead of heat. It's like 108 degrees. Started putting up fall garland around my door. And then Hurricane Ida, well, we got like the side effects of it, like the rain of it, threw my garland down. So I gotta put it back up today. Well, I want to do it today, and I want to do it with you guys, and I want to give you like an in-depth tutorial on how I did it, because guys, this was all Dollar Tree, and I mean, I'm impressed. I think it turned out really cute. And then I had originally made these wreaths, these very neutral wreaths. But when I started doing my garland around the door, I was like, oh, those wreaths can't work there anymore. So I took them down, and you'll see what I did with them because they're really cute in the house actually. So I'm going to do something else here, and we'll do that today. And I don't know how long the video is going to be, if we're going to finish the porch or not. We might finish it tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I got these command hooks. The big ones, and they got like the little metal hook on them. They are for 3 pounds. Okay, so that's what I started with. And you could see them right there, right in the corner. So I'm gonna get the ladder and I'm gonna start doing this. I got a little help from my dad. Dad is helping me film. He's so sweet to help, and he's doing very good, I think, filming this. He's showing you guys the garland, and I'm up on the ladder and I'm just hooking it on to the little command hooks. And remember guys, my garland, I had already started it, and I'm telling him, okay, Dad, go this way now and go that way. But he's doing a really good job. So we're going to give Dad a big thumbs up on this part of the video, guys, because he did really good. And you see me here, I'm just twisting the wire. And I'll explain all about the wire later. And this bow, I did it my way, my old school way. I like making my bows this way. And I think I'm going to continue making my bows the way I always had made them. So that's it. Now I'm getting down off the ladder and telling Dad to stop. So I got it up, but I want to show you this. So this is what I did. And this is just a trick. And I'm going to go through the whole garland in a minute. Sorry about the background noise. There's really nothing we can do. What I did is I took 2 different Dollar Tree ribbons. These ones right here. This pretty one with the fall leaves. And this beautiful plaid. I love this plaid. I think it's fantastic. I just cut about 12-inch strips, and I've done this before, but I just want to show you like in depth how to do it if you're interested. Just cut yourself 12-inch strips and then dovetail the ends, each end. So just dovetail. Then you put them together like this, one on top of the other, and kind of pinch them in the middle like that, and then twist them because they're wired. And then when you twist them, you're gonna have the opposite, right? In like at you, showing at you. Does that make sense? Then you're gonna take these and you're gonna kind of fluff them like this, and you're gonna, you know, fluff them out, make them look cute. What I like to do is if I have the leaf on this side and the plaid on this side, then I'm gonna have the plaid on the other side and the leaf on the other side like that, okay? Just like that. So now I'm gonna put it, what I've done, hold on. Okay guys, I brought you in really close right now so you could see what I've done, and I'll explain it. My best friend is this wire. I love this wire from Michael's. You can get it at Michael's all day long. This big giant one is $2.99, and my trusted wire cutters, they're the best. I cannot stress enough. Okay, let me put you down here so you can see a little bit better. I took this orange mesh and the green mesh. How did I achieve it to be so fluffy? I layered it back and forth and back and forth. I did 4 times the orange and 4 times the green, and I got this. That's what I did. And then I took, you can see here, like I explained before, the ribbon. I took ribbon and I put it in the corners, and that's what I did. And then this little thing here, it's a garland. There's only 2 of them on the pick, on the garland. There's 2. Okay, so as I was saying, there is 2 floral garlands on the garland. This is one to the middle, and then another one from the half point to the middle, and well, I just didn't have any more garland, truth be told. And I really like this look because I think it gives a lot of interest and a lot of texture. Okay guys, so now let me show you this. So you got your ribbons, you cut them all out, you know how many you're gonna put where. You get yourself your wire, you put your wire right in the middle and squeeze it, twist it around a couple times, and then you leave it be like that. You leave a big piece, 2 big pieces sticking out like that. Then what you do is you find where you're gonna put your wire, and you take your 2 pieces and you add your wire, and then you wrap the wire to the back and then twist. It will never ever come off, okay? Twist as much as you can till you get it secure, and then fluff out your ribbon how you want it. You know, you make it, just pull the ribbon out like that. Just take your hand and pull it, and it'll fluff beautifully, guys. It'll really fluff really beautifully. Then take your wire cutters and just cut off that excess in the back. That's all you do. And you have the most beautiful look for your garlands, and easy. This is so easy, okay? So easy. Now we're gonna add even more to this. Okay, sweet peeps, let's do it because I'm starting to melt out here. Southwest Florida, and it is boiling hot. Okay, here is the next part of the DIY. Wire cutters, and an adorable pumpkin. Dollar Tree. Listen, this is a great size pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. I want you to take your wire and you're gonna stick it in the pumpkin as much as you can, okay? As far in as you can. And it'll stop at some point. Then you got this. You see that down there? You got the wire in the pumpkin. So what I've done, and I've got one right here, so let me tilt you to the side and you'll see. I only have 5 of these orange color pumpkins, so that's what I'm gonna use because that's what I have, right? because I don't want to buy any more stuff. And I have a lot. So what I did is I took the pumpkin and I wired it and I twisted it around the garland in the middle. So I'll have one here at the half point, one up in the corner, one in the middle, one in the other corner, and one in the other half point. So I'm going to show you that right now, how I got it into the half point. You put your garland, you put your ribbon, you got your pumpkin, you put your pumpkin right here, and then you're going to twist the ribbon, the wire, all the way around to secure this. Okay, you're going to twist it all the way around, and it's going to catch. And you have wire in the back of this right now from the garland and from the bow and from the other garland. You have a lot of wire back here to help secure this. So that's it. You're just going to wire it up and you're going to secure it in the back, and your pumpkin is going to face forward. That's what you really, really want. You want your pumpkin to face forward so it looks the best possible. Okay, I'm gonna step back and I'm gonna show you where we're at right now with just the pumpkins on. Okay, my sweet peeps, the garland is up, it's done, it looks great. Dollar Tree, unbelievable. Let me show you something else. Here's another trip now. So I got hanging baskets. The wreaths that I had on there were not gonna cut it. But what we're doing now is we're getting the same Dollar Tree ribbon, 2 rolls of this one, the one we used here in our little spots, you know, to kind of tie it in. And I'm gonna open these up and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, all I did is I took the 2 ribbons, I put one on top of the other, and I just wrapped them around my basket, and I'm leaving 2 tails. Grab your scissors and cut off your tail where you want it, and I'll show you on the other one. And you're gonna leave it like that for right now, just tie it up. And then take your ribbon and we're gonna move to the other one right here. So let me show you while I'm doing it. I wrap both my ribbons, one on top of the other. On that side, I have the plaid on the back and I have the leaf on the front. So I'll do the same on this side. So you wrap it around your basket like this, okay? And you kind of judge where you want it. I want it about that long. I want the tails hanging down. And I'm just gonna tuck it in and pull. Pull, pull, pull. And it's wired ribbon, so don't worry. So you pinch it together when you got it good, and I like my tails hanging down. So now what I do is I pull this ribbon down and that ribbon up, just to give it some interest. That's all I did. Pull one ribbon up and one ribbon down. So you cut your tails, right? And they're just cut straight across. Now you want to tighten it a bit more and make one more knot. That's all you're going to do. And this is really just to kind of secure it. So make another knot and then fluff out your tails like this and dovetail them. And remember what I told you? You just kind of pull the ribbon and it'll pull forward. And it'll fluff out really, really, really beautifully. And that's what you want to do. You just want to make sure this fluffs out really, really beautifully. And I think this is going to look so gorgeous. Wait till you see what we put in here. Leaves and more leaves and more leaves. Guys, I have tons of this eucalyptus. Tons. I love the colors. Aren't they gorgeous? These are just your everyday wired eucalyptus. And I am sweating to death. So what I did is I just bent the stems and I'm gonna plop them in here. Easy peasy. I want it all over the place. I want them to look really, really natural. And I just want it to look like I went out into the fall gardens and picked myself up some beautiful eucalyptus. Okay, my sweet, sweet friends, you guys, it is the 1st of September, and I was doing my fall outdoor garland, and I thought, yes, my peeps want to see it, and I'm sweating to death, y'all. I'm sweating to death. It is so hot here in Southwest Florida. My goodness, it is so hot. But it's September 1st, and I really, really, really wanted to do outdoor decor with you guys today. I really wanted to do outdoor decor and celebrate the changing of a month and, you know, just spending some time with you guys. But that is it. This video is going to be cut short, and we are going to have to finish the outdoor porch and all the decor to it another day or in the evening when it's way cooler. I hope you enjoyed spending some time with me. Dollar Tree. Okay, now some of you know and some of you don't. I'm not the biggest fan, but this turned out amazing. I love it. I mean, give it a thumbs up if you love it too. And if you're new here and haven't subscribed, you should totally subscribe because you're missing out on the party. Anyways, I'm Bella. Thank you for joining me. Thank you guys. Thank you to my peeps for spending the afternoon with me or evening or whenever you're watching this. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Have a safe, and blessed day ahead and a great week ahead. And I will catch up with you on Friday. I'm going inside to sit under a fan and the air conditioner. Love you guys. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah.